So this part of the video is for people who requested for recipes that we made in that oven. So this is sarson ka saag that we made, and it came out quite well, and we love using these vessels for various recipes that we made. So this is one of them. We also used it for making the basic tomato onion gravy. We use it for different dishes, so we make this in bulk and keep. We also made some chicken biryani in the dum style. It came out well. Once cooking is over, transfer the food from the Dutch oven to another vessel. Wash with water. Use a bit of basin powder or powdered salt. Rub with hands or a mild scrubber to remove the oil and other food particles. Wash the vessel with water. Wipe lightly with a cloth and put it on the stove. Let the vessel get dried. Once dried, we can apply oil. So this is the oil I use. I use canola oil for my seasoning, and it says that it costs around 225 rupees for this bottle. So if your vessel already has a good seasoning, you can just apply the oil and store it inside. It should be on a dried vessel. If it still requires a good coating or a good layer of seasoning is required, you will have to hold this vessel like this on a medium flame and wait for around 3 to 4 minutes, and make sure that the flame is on medium. And after 3 to 4 minutes, you will see smoke rising from that surface exposed to the flame, and I will turn it around so that there is an even coating on all sides. This is how I have achieved the color for my vessel. And once you have achieved a good color or good coating, you can store it away for the next use.
Hi friends, this is my cast iron after 4 months of use. You can see it still has the copperish tinge somewhere here, especially on the lid part, because I don't season it as often as I season the vessel, and it doesn't get much cooked. And this is the vessel. You can see that there is a good color which is formed at the bottom. The sides need little more work, so you can see somewhere there are patches. So this needs to get more little more seasoning and little more work. You can see that this part this patch was caused because it got rusted here. This is something new users have to take care. This vessel needs to have a good coating of oil, especially if it is not seasoned properly. Otherwise rust will form, and then you have to do the re-seasoning process again to make it usable. Certain tips to use this properly: use soap solution or soap to clean this as less frequently as possible. You can use basin powder or salt to clean this up. This will take care of the seasoning better. Second is, once you have finished cooking, remove the cooked item from this vessel as soon as possible, because sometimes like if your gravy has tomato, the acidity of the tomato can damage this coating. So please remove the food items as soon as you are done finished cooking. Third thing is, once you have cleaned this vessel, keep it dry and always have a very thin coat of oil on the surface, so you can avoid any kind of rust formation on this. Especially if you are not using it frequently, this is a must. Having a coating of oil on your vessel is important. Yeah, so these are all the things that I want to share about my experience with this Dutch oven. Let me know in comments if you want to know any more further information. And yeah, please like, share and subscribe this video if you find it useful. Thank you for watching.